Hey, it's Karen and Gavin from Couple in the Kitchen. We're here with HEB to show you how to holiday even brighter. Let's talk about new traditions for couples. One thing that we love to do is make a big pot of mulled wine and curl up on the couch for a cozy date night. It's a super easy recipe that you can make with your partner at home. One thing we recommend adding to your table is this Cabernet Sauvignon. It's important when you make mulled wine to pick a drier red wine versus a sweeter wine, since you're going to be sweetening it and spicing it anyways. Slice up a juicy fresh orange. In a medium stock pot, mix together cinnamon sticks, cloves, star anise, honey, brown sugar, and your orange slices. Bring all ingredients to boil and then simmer for at least 15 minutes. This is such an easy recipe and we love making it together every single year. We're sure that you can add this simple recipe to your traditions as a couple as well. We like to cuddle up by the fire with a cozy glass of mulled wine. This mulled wine is making our holiday even brighter, and we know that this is a tradition that you're going to want to partake in as well. Be sure to click subscribe for more great content from HEB. Happy holidays!